This lesson provides an overview of the Microsoft Access application environment. You will take a look at the database objects and learn about their function in a database. Select Start All Programs. Click Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft Access 2010. An application window has opened. In it, the Backstage dialog box has appeared together with its tools. If you have already seen any of the previous versions of the application, the Backstage box has replaced the Office button or the File menu in the previous versions. On the left side in the upper part of the Backstage box, there is a list of the databases that you have worked with recently. Like the Open command, this list can be used to open an existing database. A more complete list of recently opened databases can be displayed by clicking Recent in this box. In the Backstage box, New has been selected. This option is used for creating a new database. It offers the option to either create a new empty database or to use any of the offered templates. A complete installation of Microsoft Access contains several training databases. Look at the right section of the window. After you confirm the selection, the file will be generated. Shortly after the generation of the database file is completed, a Northwind database window has opened with a welcome screen. Read the security warning displayed beneath the ribbon. Blocking specific content may prevent the activation of viruses. However, it can also cause the malfunctioning of some database objects. Some databases may contain various introductory windows prepared by the creator of the database. In the Northwind training database, the introductory window requests the name of the person who will be working with it. Close the Login window by clicking the cross. Every database consists of objects. In the Northwind training database, select Object Type. The basic database object type is a table. The source data is stored. You will take a look at the object. The ribbon is located beneath the title bar. Then select the Home tab. To hide the ribbon or to show it again, click Expand the ribbon. At the bottom edge of the application window is the status bar. Now take a look at the database objects. Double-click Orders. The opened database objects can be displayed in the database window or on overlapping. In the navigation pane, click Table. Another type of database object, double-click Product Orders. The opened query has the appearance of a table. The data it includes is organized in fields and records, just like in a table. Collapse queries. Expand form. A form is a data. Take a look at the form Collapse forms. Expand reports. Reports are used to print database information. Tables, forms, or data selected by a query can also be printed, of course, but reports enable an improved graphic layout of the printed pages. Double-click Customer Address Book. Take a look at the report and close it. We must now warn you that changes made to data in a database are automatically saved. The Save option is not used for saving data to a database, but for saving an object design or layout changes. Before you start carrying out more extensive modifications to an object, it is recommended to create a copy of it. All database objects can easily be copied using the clipboard. You will now create a copy of the report that you were viewing a while ago. The Customer Address Book has already been selected. On the Home tab, click on the Copy button. On the Home tab, click on the Paste button. Click OK. A new report icon, Copy of Customer Address Book, has appeared in the navigation pane. The report is identical. Press the Delete key. Click Yes. We have now displayed for you several objects at the same time. The default click Options. Select Current Database. Select Overlapping Windows. Click OK. The dialog box displayed informs you that the setting will be visible when the database window has been closed and reopened. After you click OK, we will close and reopen the database for you. Click OK. We have again opened several objects for you. Each object is now displayed in an individual window that contains standard buttons for controlling windows in the upper right-hand corner. In this lesson, you have familiarized yourself with the environment of the Microsoft Access application and with its basic objects. You now know how to view, copy, and remove objects. You also know how to change the manner in which objects